some glass painting. I have all jars where my beans are and my coffee are, and they're empty now, and we're gonna use them to paint glass painting on it. Okay, let's get started. Coffee jar, and where coffee in was, and we're gonna paint the glass painting. I have 5 colors: yellow, pink, red, blue, and green. You can also, every decoration you can do on glass, so you can paint it what you like to paint. I have also made applications. I printed out just like this one with the lighthouse. I have here cherry blossom without the applications, out hand, or you can draw it, put them inside, and just like this. Just like this, and you can draw it outside. I started with green. I have a drawing inside my jar, and I paint them from the jar, from the inside, just like this. And I started with green. I fulfill it just like this. Okay, so now I will do in black. You must have a steady hand, because it's not just drawing on paper, it's on glass. It glides a little bit, and it's not easy to draw it on. But I did a little bit measuring. Okay, I'm drawing now the leaves also. Make it a little bit the lily, just like this. You can now see this house coming together. The drawing, just like this. Now you can see how it's done. Okay, I'm gonna push the application outside, and now you can see a little bit how it is coming together on the jar. I painted now, you can see the water lily just like this on the jar. It's very lightly and very beautiful. Couldn't wait to dry up. At mostly when it's finished dry is 24 hours to dry completely out. And you can decorate it just like a vase or a decoration on your room. Or you can also do put some stuff inside, just like coffee or other things, what you wish. Okay, we have the second jar here, and this was where my beans were. I have brown beans inside in this jar. Okay, and I want to draw this sign with a lighthouse inside. We're gonna put some inside, just like the first time, and we're gonna draw it on my jar. Started okay. with the sea. Let's get started with blue. A little bit shaken up. Because it can't sit down the pigments inside. Glass, I'm gonna take a fine brush, dip it inside, Okay, and we're gonna draw it the blue just like the sea. If you want to make the same linings just like the draw, you can take it later with black and draw it just like the picture and make it more likely and finish it off. Okay. Okay. Okay, I will do it the rest out of camera and I'll be back. The lighthouse. We'll push it inside and see how it's coming together. Now you see the lighthouse is almost finished. It's great because it's coming together, and I'm gonna color the lighthouse now with yellow and red. White background, and you can see what it's become. Look how it is great. Because I have no white and I only paint the red one, because you're gonna put some inside and will change the color. Okay, if you want more realistic on the sea, you can get the black paint. You can make some shapes on it, just like this. See? I will do it off camera and I'll be back. The sea likes more realistic. I put some white inside. Now you can see what it's become. Okay, we're finished. Put some texture on it. And here you have 2 jars. The final products, you can see my coffee jar is now with water lily on it, and I have where my beans were, and I painted a lighthouse on it. Okay, don't throw your jars. You can paint them in different kind of what you wanted. You can paint it animals, or you can paint it just like tattoos, or just like me, you can draw it first, or you can print it out and put some inside and you can use it and draw it over. Okay, I see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe downstairs. Bye.